Right, I'm Ian Campbell from McConnell, previously of Skirt. What did we learn from the horizontal infrastructure rebuild? First of all, good safety requires the work to be well planned, with everybody knowing the plan. Fencing the site and keeping it well organised and tidy also makes the work both easier and safer. It's imperative you have the right gear for the job. A bit of extra time and money spent gearing up properly can and will save lives. Number 8 wire is for fences, not construction. There can also be no cutting corners when our people are working at height. Safe working platforms can take a bit of building, but once they're up, they enable us to run the job smoothly, quickly, with no hold-ups or surprises. The same thing goes for having the right protection when we're working at depth. It's really important to be on the front foot when dealing with the public and other stakeholders. A bit of effort explaining what we're doing and getting our traffic management and site fencing right saves a lot of hassle and prevents accidents happening around our sites. It can also get us hot butter scones and other treats when we get it right. There are some construction jobs that are best done at night, but these must be planned so people are not working too many hours and getting fatigued. Tired people make mistakes, and in our business, mistakes can kill people. The earthquakes were a savage reminder that we can't totally control our environment and what it'll throw at us. We have to expect the unexpected and be ready to deal with it at all times. How we better prepare ourselves for these kind of events is one of our challenges going forward. There are a lot of lessons we can learn from the past 7 years that we need to apply to the way we do things in future. The earthquake rebuild was mostly about repairing existing infrastructure. This generally makes for more complicated and difficult projects with additional risks, particularly when the facilities need to be kept operational while we fix them. This type of project is going to become more common in business as usual. We need to develop our capability for doing this type of particularly difficult work safely. Public tolerance for the disruption of our construction is decreasing rapidly. It will become ever more important to keep traffic flowing, businesses operating, and the impacts on adjacent properties and the local environment to an absolute minimum. Finding safe ways of meeting these expectations will provide plenty of challenges for us all in future. Now, just building on what Joe was just talking about, this is a graph I pinched from WorkSafe. As you can see, the orange is the total recordable incidents have been trending down nicely. This is a national graph. The blue is the fatalities, and you can see the 25%, but really we've got a lot more work to do there. This has to be our biggest and most important challenge. It's all about us, first and foremost, identifying critical risks, the ones that can kill people, and eliminating them. Thank you.